Most of the important challenges that we have really come across is the problem of the annual release of money to the Commission. Because as all of you are aware, peace is the only one important thing in this country that we need to implement. And for the peace to be implemented, the Peace Commission and the Ministry of Peace Building need to be funded. If they are not funded, then there will be no peace in the country. So we're really appealing to Ministry of Finance that to stop the habit of not funding the implementing agencies. That habit must be stopped and stopped soon.
I came to the Parliament here on invitation from the chair of Specialized Committee for Peace and Reconciliation, so that we sit together and go through the budget, the current budget we are scrutinizing. The discussion was fruitful, and we went back to the previous issues we have been standing. The main issues which has really confronted us as a challenge is the issue of release of the fund for the activities in the Peace Commission.